Hi everybody, this is Raquel Pavia, and this is my submission for my All About Me for EDL 7-10. I am currently pursuing a master's degree in educational leadership, and I last semester I've taken EDL 6-10 under Dr. Contact. I am a Filipina, and I moved to the U.S. with my husband in 2015. I graduated from Divina Pastora College for high school, and it is in Gapan City, which is a town over my hometown, which is called San Bernardo. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science degree in Child Development and Education from Miriam College, which is also located in the Philippines. I am happily married to my loving husband, Matt, for 5 years now, and we have a pet dog named Shadow. I work at the Goddard School as an assistant director, and I have been with this school for 4 years now. For my work experience after college, I worked at an all-girls Catholic school, which is called the Immaculate Conception Academy in the Philippines, for 4 years. And then in 2012, in April 2012, I moved to Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon, to train in the British International School there, because of the same year and of that same year, August 2012, they opened another international school in Hanoi, which is the capital of Vietnam, and I stayed with that school for 2 years as an early years educator. After Hanoi, in 2014, I moved back to the Philippines, but this time in an island which is called Boracay Island. It's a small island that has white beaches and clear waters, and I taught there for a year as a pre-K teacher. And in the summer of 2015, I got married, and my husband and I moved to the U.S. To Ohio, where my husband grew up. And then in 2016, I decided to go back to teaching and work and found work in the Goddard School. I like mentoring young and upcoming teachers. That's why I was drawn to the educational leadership career. I also enjoy building meaningful relationships with the families in school and with the community we belong to. For the most rewarding part of my position is having a family or a teacher come up to me randomly and say how I am one of the positive presences in their life, and that they appreciate and believe in all the things I do and stand up for. The most challenging part of my position, however, is motivating teachers and seeing a situation clearly as an administrator from all sorts of perspectives. And that's a challenge. Yep. And one of the most significant challenges facing school leaders today, I think, is accountability. And in the future, my goals is to be more focused, to be truer to our vision, mission, and goals. I tend to get sidetracked by mundane things sometimes, and ultimately to be ahead of primary school in an international setting one day. And if asked what my leadership style is, I would say I am a fair and caring teacher leader. I try to be sincere and authentic at all times. In my free time, I like to go do active activities. I like to go to the gym. I like to go run, spin in the winter, and bike outside in the summer. I like to do yoga, walk my dog, taste the food that my husband cooks. I like listening to podcasts, binge watching worthy series and movies, and rewatching old Law and Order SVU episodes. That's my guilty pleasure. I have lots of favorite movies depending on the genre, but the most recent movies that I enjoyed watching is Brittany Runs a Marathon. It's an Amazon original. It's very inspiring. And the docu movie called The Game Changers. For books, I have not read a full book in a while, but my favorites are Shantaram, Born to Run, and all the Polo Pueblo books. A couple of things you would not know about me is I try to live and lead a plant-based lifestyle. And I am a pretty good boxer. For my bucket list, I would like to jump off a plane and skydive, preferably in Dubai or in Hawaii. And I would like to see orcas or humpback whales in the wild someday, maybe in Alaska. During this class, I would like to be data driven, and I want to use well analyzed data to help with school improvement without forsaking the human side of things. That's all for now. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach me at rpavia, that's rpavia at bgsu.edu. Thank you so much, and you all have a good day.